back to my channel. Today I'm back with another hair, and this is actually a bundles and a closure wig. I'll be showing you guys how this closure wig and frontal, sorry, three bundles are. I actually received a three bundles wig, three bundles, and it has these two, and also it has another one, making it a three bundles, and also with a closure right here. This closure is looking so nice. It's actually a 4x4 lace closure, and this is actually a 16 inches right here. They're all 16, guys. I'm going to install this a little, and I'll do the rest off cam, but this is how it is. And before I move straight to this hair texture, let me show you how their name is. They're actually Molastar wigs, and they're on Facebook, they're on WhatsApp, and also you can see their address there. It says Molastar wig, and also, yeah, I think that's it. You can go check them out on their social media, check them, who they have, what they have, and keep your order coming. So guys, let me show you guys the first one and how the texture of this hair is. I love all bundles because it's actually good for me to install to the way I want. And also they have in wigs and other bundles, guys. This is how the texture is looking like. Looks super soft, very soft. There's no tangling right here, as you can see. And this is how the bundles is. I love this so much. In case you're interested in a bundle, we can go check them out. Click in the description box down below. All details will be right there. And also with the closure, this is how the closure is. A 4x4 closure wig, and it's also the same texture, as you can see. This is how the texture of this closure is. This is a 1B, color 1B, 99J color. And this is how the color is, a 4x4 lace here, as you can see. So guys, I'm just going to install this hair for you guys to see. Of this hair installation and tutorial video. So guys, as you saw me earlier, this hair actually came in bundles and closure, and I actually went ahead and installed this hair from beginning to the end for you guys to see. So guys, it actually came in 16 inches in 3 bundles of this 1B 99J color, and also it has a dark roots right here, which I'm loving so much. And I went ahead and restyled it to my taste to give it that, you know, that curve or that waviness I actually wanted. So guys, that's actually proof to you guys this hair is actually one of the best, because the texture is everything. There was no tangling, there was no shedding. You can actually see that I went ahead and coiled it. So this is how this perfect style is actually looking like, and I love it so much. All you need to do, click in the description box down below. All details you need about these hair bundles and other hair bundles and enclosure and frontals they have in their store will be right in their website. The direct hair link of this hair will be right there. Make sure you click everything. You guys know I always come out for you guys. So guys, let me know what you think about this hair. For me, I love this hair. The texture is everything. There was no shedding, there was nothing bad about this hair. So if you're interested in this hair, the direct link of this hair will be right there, and other hairs they have in their store will be right there also. Thank you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video.